Hey guys, welcome to Red Diamond Redemption 2, and this is how you get Micah's revolver early in Chapter 1 as Arthur. So you're going to want to do the mission in Chapter 1, Old Friends, in order to get his revolver. Allow me to show you. So take the lead. Kill that guy. Now let this dude follow you. He should follow you. He can run after you. Micah should be over here. Right now get him to come to Micah. And he will drop Micah's revolver. I can't really pick it up because I'm replaying the mission, but you can pick it up early. I hope this helped you guys. And also, yes, the NPC can make Dutch drop his revolvers, but can't really get them. I think you can pick up Williamson's revolvers, but I hope this helped you guys. Love you. Bye.